Welcome to section 7.6, Solving Rational Equations. Our strategy for solving the rational equations are as follows. We first factor the denominators in the equation. The values where the denominators are 0 will not be allowed as solutions because that would give us 0 in the denominator. So we have to find where the denominator is 0 so that we can eliminate those solutions. Next, we find the least common denominator for all of the denominators in the equation. We multiply each term in the equation by the LCD to eliminate denominators. This will give us a polynomial equation. We then solve the polynomial equation. From the solutions of the polynomial equation, we eliminate those values which make the denominator 0. The remaining solutions are our solutions to the rational equation. Now let's begin by solving r over 6 is equal to r over 4 plus 1/3. We subtract r over 4 from both sides so that we get the variable on one side of the equal sign. Combining like terms, we have a common denominator of 12, so that 2r over 12 minus 3r over 12 gives us negative r over 12 is equal to 1/3. Multiplying both sides by negative 12 cancels the denominator to give us negative 12 over 3, which is negative 4. Now let us solve the equation n plus 6 over 3 is equal to 5 times n minus 8 over 10. Our first step is to cancel the common factor of 5 in the numerator and denominator on the right-hand side. This gives us n plus 6 over 3 on the left and n minus 8 over 2 on the right. We then multiply both sides by 6 to clear denominators. This gives us 3 times n plus 6 on the left is equal to 2 times n minus 8 on the right. Distributing gives us 3n plus 18 on the left and 2n minus 16 on the right. Subtracting 2n on both sides gives us 3n minus 18 minus 2n is equal to negative 16. This allows us to have the variable on one side of the equal sign, so that we have n minus 18 is equal to negative 16. Adding 18 onto both sides gives us n equal to negative 16 plus 18, or n equal to negative 2. Let's solve the equation 2x minus 3 over x minus 4 equal to 5 over x minus 4. We look to see that our denominator cannot equal to 4. This means that x minus 4 cannot be 0, or that x cannot be 4. When we multiply both sides by x minus 4, this clears denominators to give us 2x minus 3 equal to 5. Solving the equation, 2x minus 3 is equal to 5, we add 3 onto both sides to give us 2x is equal to 8. We divide both sides by 2 to give us x is equal to 8 halves, or x is equal to 4. Since this is the only solution we are not allowed to have, our final answer is no solution. Now let us solve the equation 3 over x plus 3 plus 5 over x plus 4 is equal to 12x plus 7 over x squared plus 7x plus 12. Factoring the denominators, x plus 3 will factor as x plus 3, x plus 4 factors as x plus 4, x squared plus 7x plus 12 factors as x plus 3 times x plus 4. Setting each of the denominators equal to 0 in solving means that we are not allowed to have solutions x is equal to -3 and x is equal to -4. Our least common denominator is x plus 3 times x plus 4. We then multiply each term in the equation by our LCD to clear denominators to give us 3 times x plus 4 plus 5 times x plus 3 is equal to 12x plus 7. Solving this equation, we begin by distributing our 3 and distributing our 5 to give us 3x plus 12 plus 5x plus 15. We combine like terms on the left to give us 8x plus 27 equal to 12x plus 7. 27, so now getting the 8x on both sides so that we can combine like terms gives us 27 equal to 4x plus 7. Subtracting 7 on both sides gives us 20 equal to 4x. Dividing both sides by 4 gives us x is equal to 5.